Hey guys, my name is Aviroop and in this video I will show you how you can install Git into your system. The first thing that you need to do is to visit this website called git-scm.com/downloads. I will provide the link in the description. When you have opened this page, you just need to choose what operating system you are using. Since I am using Windows, I will click on Windows. The download will start. Since I have already downloaded it in my machine, I will just cancel it out and run this executable file. Okay, if you haven't previously installed Git into your system, then this option might not be checked. Okay, it should be like this way, unchecked. So I will just do it unchecked and will proceed with the next. Keep it as it is. Don't check anything or don't uncheck it without knowing anything. Keep it with the default settings and proceed next. Okay, here's one thing. If you have Visual Studio Code into your system and you want to choose Git's default editor as Visual Studio Code, then go for next. Otherwise, you can choose other text editor from this list as well. I want to keep Visual Studio Code as my default text editor, so I will go with the next. Go with next. Click on going next. And once you click on install, the installation procedure should start. Since I have already installed Git in my system, I will not install it once again. I will just cancel it out from this step and will search for Git Bash in my system. If you have installed it correctly, then Git Bash application should come up. Once you open it, this will how it looks like it. Then write in Git. If no error shows and something like this shows, it means that you have successfully installed Git in your system. You can also confirm it by writing git --version. See, the version number shows up and it means I have successfully installed Git Bash in my system. And from the next video, I'll show you how you can do add, commit, branching, merging, all those stuff with your Git Bash. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.